Hey guys, Alicia here, and I am back with another video. Now, this video is a little bit different than videos that I've previously shown. This one isn't necessarily a beauty video, but it definitely has effects on your skin and your overall health. So today, we are going to be discussing, not really discussing, but I'm just going to be showing you how I prepare sea moss. Anyway, for those who do not know what sea moss is, it is a plant, an ocean plant, and it's a pretty much a superfood. This plant is packed full of nutrients. So, with that being said, I'm going to show you guys how I prepare it. And yeah, stay tuned to the next part. So guys, we are gonna leave that to soak for 24 hours, and once it's done soaking, we're gonna come back to blend it up, and I will show you how I add it to my smoothies and also how I store this. So stay tuned to the next part. So guys, there we have it. We have our sea moss here. As you can see, I've already dipped into this sea moss, as it has been a couple days later from when I originally filmed how I prep sea moss. So this has around a shelf life of 2 to 3 weeks. After the 3-week mark, I would just keep check on it just to make sure that it hasn't grown mold or smells really bad. But usually around the 3-week mark, it's starting to go bad. So just keep a check on it because it may last longer if your fridge is cold enough, and stuff like that. So this sea moss I got in Jamaica. I have family members that will bring it down for me when they come back to Canada. So I'm lucky in that aspect that I do get it straight from Jamaica. But there are a lot of online stores that do sell sea moss, and I think you can get it on Amazon too. I'm not really too sure of the quality, but there are a lot of online shops that do sell sea moss, and good quality sea moss. I can do some research and put a few links in the description as to which companies sell good quality sea moss and have good reviews and are like a decent price and stuff like that. So yeah, I also did mention earlier on in the video that I was going to show you guys how I add it to smoothies and how I just typically consume sea moss. I think I'm going to do that in another video, as it will probably drag this video on way too long. So in another video, I will show you how I add this to my smoothies, how I consume it. Sometimes I make tea out of the gel for the sea moss, and just different ways that you can kind of add it to foods or drinks to just mask the flavor of sea moss. It does, in a sense, have no taste, but have a taste at the same time. Like, it just kind of tastes like the sea. I don't know if I described that well, but yeah. Not that crazy about the flavor, so I much rather mix it into things that will mask the taste and flavor of it. So please stay tuned to see that video. I am gonna try to record a lot more videos for you guys and just kind of keep consistent on YouTube, which I definitely have not been, so that is what I'm gonna try to do. So yeah, please stay tuned for my next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.